If that doesn't tell you they need to get rid of some stuff, I'm not sure what does. What is up, you guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the 9th video of the Advent Calendars unboxings. Good enough. Today we are going to be doing the benefits, the more the merrier 12 days of makeup. I almost started reading the French, I believe that's French. Anyway, today we're going to be doing the 9th Advent Calendar unboxing, and that is the benefits, the 12 days, or the more the merrier 12 days of makeup. What did I just say? The more the merrier, 12 merrier days of makeup. If you guys are excited to get into this benefits Advent Calendar unboxing with me, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up because it just helps me out more than you would ever know. And also, if you guys are new here, my name is Jessi Maee and we upload makeup unboxings and lifestyle videos. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I always right there want to say go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here because that's my outro. But, you know, you can click this link right here too, that's the subscribe button. So, anyways, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up because, you know, you just want to support me. This was a $65 advent calendar and the retail value is supposed to be $140. Not one of the best retail value for your dollar, but it's at least more than the e.l.f. and the Sephora. Let's not go there. So retail value of $140, spend $65 on it. I did order mine on Ulta, so mine came in a free little bag. So let's actually open the little bag first. It says it's a 2020 mascara dome bag, and that's a 2021 advent calendar. So if that doesn't tell you they need to get rid of some stuff, I'm not sure what does. So yeah, it just came with a little makeup bag. Long live eyelashes, and it's got a bunch of eyes on the inside. So I'll just say, I don't know, $10, that adds $10 to your value. If you're $5, it's not $10. Please don't pay $10. No, I'd say $5. And I know on the website it says like a $25 value or something. No. Anyway, let's move on to day number 1. Now, I believe everything in here is just sample sizes because, I mean, look how tiny it is. This is one of the cutest advent calendar. It's probably the smallest one that we've done on this channel, or will do. So far, this is the first advent calendar I've unboxed, but everything's wrapped. Like, it's in a box, but then it's wrapped. So, that's cute. I like that little touch. Like, first we do have and everything obviously is benefits, so don't sit here telling myself don't sit here and say, oh, here's the benefit, blah blah blah. But this is the roller liner. It's the throw it on the ground. This is just the eyeliner, and I don't think I've ever used this one, but ooh, very nice, very black, just your liquid liner. So, you know, nothing too special about that. But why? Give me a color. I don't know, something Christmassy, something fun. Like on day number 2, are you gonna stay open? It's gonna stay open now. On day number 2, benefits gave to me another eyeliner. This is their brow pencil, Precision My Brow. I do use this. Actually, I'm wearing it today, so I'm not actually going to swatch this one. Let me grab mine. Because I don't need 2 of the same ones open. And actually, so here's mine. It does come originally with a spoolie. I could go without that because I have makeup brushes that have spoolies. If that's the case, this is a full size because there is 0.00. I lied. The full size is 0.002 ounces. The sample size is 0.001. Anyway, I did get the shade number 3. I have 2.5 right here, so I am going to swatch this. I want to see what the difference is, because what I don't particularly like is that since it's not customizable, how is that brown going to work for everybody? Like me, blonde hair, if it's too dark, I can't, you know, and then if you have black hair, you know what I mean? Like, how do you customize? So mine is the 2.5 right here on this side. Left side? Is that your, no, this is right side. So on your right side, right? I don't know. Anyway, so mine is the 2.5 shade right here, and then this is the 3 shade right there. So it is a little bit darker, but I might be able to still use it. However, let me know down in the comments, would you be able to use that shade? Is it too light for you or is it too dark? I'm just curious because, like I said, this is not a customizable advent calendar. I don't think there is a customizable advent calendar, which somebody should create one, and I called it me. Day number 3, we have some coffee at 5:21. That is cold. The worst part is I don't have a microwave, so I can't heat it up. I just gotta drink cold coffee. So on the 3rd day we received their real that is their real mascara, just the sample size. It does, I keep saying it's the sample size, Jessi, everything's gonna be the sample size. So it comes with more of the rubber straight, like, edged wand. There's no curvature to it, no like bloop, no eyeglass or anything like that. I don't know, for me when I put on a mascara that has a rubber wand, like those little, you know, those little frilly things, like I don't know where I was going with that. I lost my train of thought, so let's just move on to day number 4. Alright, so day number 4, we have, I ripped the box, we do have a sample size, the Professional Primer. I don't think this is the silicone one. This one could be because it is pore. This might be the silicone one. I'm not going to open this because I have it opened in my, somewhere over there in my makeup collection. So far I'm getting a lot of things that I've received, probably more than likely in like Ipsy or something. Day number 5, we received the Roller Lash. So again, another mascara, but this one has more of the, like a curvature to the wand, if you could see that. On the 6th day, it is so dark and it's only 5:20 and it's that time of year. I mean, you know, I may have lied to you guys. I'm sorry. I apologize. Truly, sincerely apologize. Said I haven't received this, the Roller Lash. No, it's right here. It's yeah. So I did receive this, probably honestly in a different advent calendar, and I just don't remember. But next on the day that, on the 6th day, I do already own this, but we received the Gimme Brow, brow gel. Here's mine. This is the sample size, which actually I thought this was a sample size too, so this is like, I mean, again though, we do have a shade color. They didn't give like a clear, so the shade I use is 2, and I'm just gonna, I don't know how to swatch a brow gel. And then the shade they gave me was 3. Alright, so it's a little bit hard to swatch a brow gel, but if you can tell down here, this is my shade 2, which is more like a blonde, and then shade 3 is definitely more like a brown. I'll still probably be able to make it work for me, but for somebody with different hair color, I don't think that it's a good idea, I don't know, to put the colored brow products into the box or the advent calendar. So on day number 7, it's so cute. I'm actually excited to have this, except for I wish it was the light. This is the Hula Bronzer, and I really do enjoy it. This actually is the second one that I bought because my first one, I actually used all of it. I'm so proud of myself, back in like 2012 when it first came out. But this was like a repeat purchase a couple months, I wanted to say a couple years ago, but I don't know when I bought it. So I bought this one a little bit while ago, but it's just your Hula Bronzer, little sample size. So excited to have that because this then can go into my like travel bag and I don't have to worry about bringing the big guy with me. I am curious. So the sample size, I wonder if this is actually just a mini and not sample, because it's literally half the amount in the big one. There's 4 ounces in here and 8 ounces in there. I don't know if that matters any, but I just kind of noticed that. So on the 8th day, another tube. Is it another mascara? Please don't be another mascara. Bad girl bang, it's another mascara. Oh, this one's not super straight, but it goes to a tiny little thin guy. This might be very, very nice for like your lower lash line, but I'm not going to say if I tried this or if I haven't tried it, and I'm not going to go search for it. The other one was just happened that I found it. On the 9th day, definitely have not tried this. This is the 24-hour Brow Invisible Shaping and Setting Gel for brows. The 24-hour Brow Setter. Okay, it is clear. Okay, it is clear. So we got like 2 different type of like brow gels almost. I know the other one's not really much of a gel, it's like a color. So, you know, but still. So just a clear, and it's got a really big spoolie for your eyebrows. Eh. You know what's funny? This is my 3rd video recording today, and I haven't looked in the mirror since. So if my makeup is like awful, I just got brow gel on my lip. Yeah. We need to be careful. What an impression you're putting on for everybody. Anyways, not that I really care. I really don't. On the day 11. And you would think this is where I caught myself and we're supposed to do day 10. No. On the 11th day. Oh, it's a blush. It's a luminous blush, but it is a blush. So, And I'm assuming, is the shade actually just Dandelion? It's a baby pink brightening face. Oh, I completely lied. Again, I'm just a liar in this video. This is a baby pink brightening face powder. I'm going to use it as a blush. Yeah, it's just going to be used as a blush. I don't know who's going to use this as a face powder. And it barely even shows up. Yeah, either way, I would not put that all over my face. It's too sparkly. Alright, day number 11. Day number 11, we have the Professionals Hydrate Primer, which I have tried this one. Actually, I think I got the big one probably in like a BoxyCharm or Ipsy again, you know, something. Alright, the last day Benefits gave to me is something freaking good. And on the 12th day, it's another mascara. This is their Real Magnet. Is it really magnetic? Like, you know how you can use those magnetic lashes, but you didn't give us lashes to go with the I cut my finger. Opening all those boxes, I got a paper cut. Probably the fattest one that we have seen today. But I'm a little... If this is like one of those magnetic mascaras, I'm a little bit upset because you didn't send... Or you didn't put, you know, lashes in the box. Unless it's just called magnet because, like, I don't know, people are attracted to your lashes. Either way, I have not tried this one, so great. Glad to have a few things that I have not tried or sampled before, but sad to have some things that I have. And the brow stuff, that just kind of gets me that it's a specific color because I know you can take a brow pencil and kind of go a little bit lighter and a little bit darker to get a different color, but it's still, it's very color specific. So, that, you know. That being said, this was not one of my favorite, but not my least favorite advent calendars so far of this season. Let me know what you guys think of this Benefits calendar. Do you think it was worth the $65, or do you think that it was just a waste of my money? We spent a lot of money on advent calendars. Don't tell Kevin. Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, why did I clap? I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, make sure you give the video a thumbs up because it just lets me know that you truly care and it helps me out tremendously. Let me know all your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. I love chatting with you guys and I'll see you down there. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you missed any of the other advent calendars or you just want to binge watch some of my content, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch and I'll catch you in tomorrow's advent calendar. Bye!